Unveiling the API Magic in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into an interesting and slightly technical English phrase, API Magic. Don't be intimidated by its techie sound. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in context. Firstly, let's break the phrase into its components. API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of rules and mechanisms that allows one software program to interact with another. Think of it like a waiter taking your order and bringing it to the kitchen. The kitchen doesn't need to know who you are, but thanks to the waiter, API, your order gets processed. Magic. In this context, magic doesn't refer to wizards or spells. Instead, it's a colloquial way to say something works seamlessly or impressively without the user fully understanding how. It's like watching a magician perform a trick. You're amazed, but you don't know how it's done. When someone says, API Magic, they're referring to the impressive and smooth functionalities an API offers, even if the intricacies of how it works are hidden or not fully understood by the user. It's praising the behind-the-scenes work that makes things flow effortlessly on the front end. Example: imagine using an app that translates sentences into another language instantly. You don't know how it gets the translations, but it's all thanks to the API magic connecting the app to a translation service. The phrase, API Magic, is often used in tech circles to praise efficient systems or express admiration for something that works seamlessly. Here are some examples. 1. I just integrated a new payment system into the website, and it works like API magic. 2. The way these apps sync data is pure API magic. However, remember that while the phrase can be impressive, overusing it or using it without context can confuse listeners, especially those unfamiliar with tech jargon. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of the phrase, API Magic. English, like all languages, constantly evolves, absorbing terms and phrases from various fields, including technology. So next time you hear someone talking about API Magic, you'll know exactly what they mean. Happy learning! And keep exploring the magic of the English language.